Andrew DrosteCourtesy photo Grand Rapids, MIA Grand Rapids area man attending medical school in Dominica escaped ceiling collapses, floodwaters and 150 miles per hour winds during Hurricane Maria. Andrew Droste, 24, is expected back in Grand Rapids on Thursday after finally getting aboard a plane to Miami more than a week after that hurricane devastated the small island and knocked out most communication. Droste was attending Ross University School of Medicine in the city of Portsmouth. He started there in August, after getting a master's degree at Central Michigan University. Few on Dominica were expecting the Category 5 storm, and Droste ended up hunkering down in his apartment when the winds began to howl. His mother, Deborah Droste, recounted her son's harrowing experience Wednesday, September 27. She said he pulled a mattress on top of himself to get protection from flying debris. Even so, the apartment windows blew out as the winds grew so fierce they bent trees parallel to the ground. He said he lost his hearing from the pressure, Deborah Droste said. Andrew Droste soon realized he was in 6 inches of water, and, with the wind shaking the doors in their frames, he knew he needed to evacuate when the roof began to tear off. His door initially was stuck, but he tried again and it opened. He pounded on a neighbor's door and helped that man get out of the building. No sooner did they get out and the ceiling caved in, she said. Deborah Droste said her son managed to find different places of shelter, along with other people he was with, as the hours dragged on. He said that when dawn finally appeared, it looked like the apocalypse, she said. Hurricane Maria ravaged the island the night of Monday, September 18 and knocked out most communication with the outside world. It was an agonizing 3 days for Deborah Droste and her family before they learned Thursday from the university that he was safe. The next day, she received a brief and nearly unintelligible satellite phone call from her son. The connection was bad. But on Sunday, he was able to call again with a good connection. On Monday, Andrew Droste and other students were able to catch a ride on a boat, described as something akin to a pirate ship. They went to the nearby island of St. Lucia, where they boarded a plane to Miami.